Hello friends, welcome to Dev's Creative Channel. Today we are going to present the Mahabharata quiz part 5. So let's start the quiz. What famous text does Krishna dictate to Arjuna? Answer: Bhagavad Gita. Who killed Jayadratha? Answer: Arjuna killed Jayadratha to take revenge of the death of Abhimanyu. How old is Dronacharya at the time of war? Answer: 85 years old. Why did the Dronacharya drop his weapon in between the war? Answer: Dronacharya dropped the weapons when he heard that Ashwatthama had died, but it was actually an elephant named Ashwatthama, which was killed by Bhim, not his son. Who killed Dronacharya? Answer: Dronacharya was beheaded by Drishtadyumna. What did Indra request from Karna as donation while being disguised as an old Brahmin? Answer: Karna's shield, Kavach. Karna cut his birthmarks of immortality with a knife and gave the blood-soaked donation to Indra in disguise. After donating the Karna shield to Indra in disguise, what happened? Answer: Indra gave him a weapon that can only be used once to kill any mortal or immortal. Karna kept the Indra's weapon to kill Arjuna with it. On which day of Mahabharata Sri Krishna lifted chariot wheel to kill Bhishma? Answer: third day. Which warrior on the Pandava side died on the first day of the war? Answer: Uttar. Who helped Pandavas to escape from the Lakshagruha? Answer: Vidur. Who killed Ghatotkacha? Answer: Karna. How did Karna kill Ghatotkacha? Answer: Ghatotkacha wreaked havoc on numerous Kaurava battalions with his illusions and valor. Duryodhana and Karna's friends plead that they are finished unless Karna does whatever it takes to kill Ghatotkacha. Karna hurls the Indra weapon to kill Ghatotkacha. Why Karna couldn't use the weapon given by Indra to kill Arjuna? Answer: Karna had to use the weapon to kill Ghatotkacha, and since the weapon came with a condition to be used only once, it couldn't used against Arjuna. Who killed Madra king Shalya in Mahabharata war? Answer: Shalya was killed by Yudhishthira in spear combat. Who killed 100 Kaurava brothers in the Mahabharata war? Answer: Bhim. Which great warriors on Kaurava side fought and survived the Mahabharata war? Answer: Ashwatthama, Kripacharya, Kritavarma. Ashwatthama and Kripacharya are immortal. What were the names of Draupadi's 5 sons? Answer: Prativindya from Yudhishthira, Sutasoma from Bhim, Shrutakarma from Arjuna, Satanika from Nakula, Shrutasena from Sahadev. What were the Draupadi's 5 sons known as? Answer: They were known as Upapandavas. Who killed Karna? Answer: Arjuna. Who shot first arrow that killed Bhishma? Answer: Shikandi. Bhishma chose a particular time for his death. What was the time called? Answer: Uttarayana. Where were the Pandavas when they get to know that Karna is their own brother? Answer: At funeral of Karna. Right before the death of Duryodhana, where did he hide? Answer: In a lake. Who was born with a gem on their forehead? Answer. Ashwatthama was born with a gem on his forehead, which makes him powerful than all the living beings lower than humans. Who killed Duryodhana? Answer. Bhim. Why Ashwatthama killed the sons of Pandavas? Answer. When Duryodhana was killed by Bhim, Ashwatthama made a deadly attempt to kill the Pandava brothers in the night when they were sleeping. Ashwatthama entered the tent of the Pandavas and mistakenly killed all the 5 sleeping sons of Pandavas and set the camp on fire. When Pandavas returned to the camp and learned about this dreadful incident, they became inconsolable. Who sent the Brahmastra into Uttara's womb when she was pregnant? Answer. Ashwatthama. Who destroyed the gem of Ashwatthama which was on his forehead? Krishna destroyed the gem of Ashwatthama which was on his forehead with his Sudarshana Chakra. Who cursed Ashwatthama? Answer. After destroying the gem, Krishna cursed Ashwatthama. What was the curse given to Ashwatthama by Krishna? Answer. Krishna cursed Ashwatthama that for 3000 years he will roam in the forests with blood and pus oozing out of his injuries and cry for his death. Whom did Gandhari curse after the war described in the Mahabharata? Answer. Krishna. Watching.